Les adjectifs. In French, as you know, most adjectives come after the noun. For example, une casquette rouge, a red cap. Une tenue adorable, an adorable outfit. Un garçon sympa, a nice boy. So in English, they come before. Red, adorable, nice. But in French, most adjectives come after. However, some adjectives come before. Now, there's only a handful of them, and they're very commonly occurring adjectives. So if you can remember these ones, you can assume that the others come afterwards. Here they are. Bon or bonne, un bon film, a good film. Mauvais, mauvaise, bad, le mauvais temps, bad weather. Grand, grande, big, tall, a tall girl. Petit, petite, little, un petit peu, a little bit. Jolie, pretty, une jolie chanson, a pretty song. So you can see they're good, bad, big, small, pretty. Very common adjectives. These irregular adjectives also come before, and here's a chart. We have beautiful, new and old. So again, they're commonly occurring adjectives and the opposites. This is the masculine form for beautiful, beau and belle. And we're going to be talking about this special masculine form for when they come before a masculine noun beginning with a vowel. Let's just have a little look at them now. Beau, belle for masculine, belle feminine, beau masculine plural, belle feminine plural. Nouveau masculine, nouvelle special masculine form, nouvelle feminine, nouveau masculine plural, nouvelle feminine plural. Vieux and vieille, which means old, masculine form, vieille feminine, vieux masculine plural, vieille feminine plural. And note this spelling, vieille is a little bit tricky. V-I-E-I, E-I-E-I, yeah? V-I-E-I, and then your L's. So here are some examples. Regular, regular, the irregular. Just with a normal word beginning with a consonant. Le beau gilet, le nouveau gilet, le vieux gilet. Yes, the beautiful waistcoat, the new waistcoat, and the vest, yeah, and the old vest. Now, look at this. If the noun begins with a vowel, we use this special form, this special masculine form. Le bel impair, le nouvel impair, le vieil impair. Okay? Here's the feminine form. La belle robe, la nouvelle robe, la vieille robe. And the plural, if it's masculine, les beaux gilets, les nouveaux gilets, les vieux gilets. And feminine, les belles robes, les nouvelles robes, les vieilles robes. Now, you may ask, well, okay, but we have this special masculine form up here. And why is that, first of all? Well, it's so that there's a nice sound, because le beau impair, that sounds very ugly in French if you put that in front of that. So they have this special form to make it sound nicer, le bel impair. And you could say, well, what happens in the plural then when we've got les beaux gilets? And the answer is, because we've got this little X on here, that gives us a nice sound that we can liaise with. So we can, if we have, for example, the beautiful raincoats, you would say les beaux impairs. So whereas a beau impair sounds ugly in French, that's why we say le bel impair, we now have this sound that can liaise with this vowel. So we can say les beaux impairs, and so that sounds pretty. So there's only one plural form in the masculine, one plural form in the feminine, but there's this special masculine form in the singular if the noun begins with a vowel. Les adjectifs.